Charlie is being picked up this afternoon, like in an hour, right? But then what do? I drive like 2.5 hours to another town and pick up another trailer, right? On the same day that Charlie is going out. So now I got a new one to work on. Really gonna love this one. So this one has like a similar layout to Charlie, but it also has a similar layout to Joey. So it's like you put Joey and Charlie together, and then you have this one. Little walkthrough. You walk into the front door, then you have another pull-out bed there that comes out into a twin size. You have another top bunk up here, just like in Charlie, right? Then the kitchen is on this side, like Joey, and it's actually in really, really good shape. Then you have the dinette over here like Joey, and this goes back into the dinette, but they have the mattress there right now. Probably my favorite part is the bathroom. So the bathroom is my favorite. You have a full tub that I will be refurbishing. It's a huge tub for a camper. Then everything is in really good shape, but look at this. You have so much closet space. A ridiculous amount of closet space. Plus all of the storage up here, plus all the storage up here. Hello, that's my outfit of the day. So there is a lot to work with here, and I'm super duper excited.